In this video, we will go to Accounting 1, Reports, and discuss about the reports that are related to cash and funds, such as cash report, cash flow, fund statement, and fund increase-decrease details reports. Firstly, we will go over cash report. In this report, you can view the increase, decrease, and remaining balance of your company's funds based on a specific time period. And you can also search by a particular department and project. And you can also display the approval line that you set up in the Setup menu by clicking Display Approval Line option in Others field. Then, if you click Search button, you can view various data at a glance, such as funds status, funds increase and decrease, and bank transfer. In Fund Status section, the data of a few account codes that are related to funds are being displayed, and the bank accounts that you registered in Setup menu are being listed next to Checking Accounts account. Also, you can view the history in beginning, increase, decrease, and ending columns. Based on the search time period, the balance right before the time period will be displayed in beginning column, and the increase and decrease during the period and the balance as of the last day of the time period will be displayed as well. And one thing to note is that the numbers in parentheses are amount entered in a foreign currency. Next, we will move on to Funds Increase and Funds Decrease section. You can verify the customer or vendor that corresponds to each increase or decrease, and remarks. As you can see here, you can view the increase and decrease history in details, which cannot be found in Fund Statement Report. And if you go to Bank Transfer section at the bottom, the section will display the data entered in Cash module, Cash Out, Bank Transfer menu, or the transfer between banks that are entered in Payment Receipt Journal menu. And you can also add new account codes related to funds by clicking option at the top right. Click Account Settings, and the default accounts will be listed. And you can click New at the bottom to select the account code that you will add. Check and click Apply. Then the account will be added to the list. And then if you search the report again, the newly added account will appear in the screen. So in this way, you can use Cash Report menu to view all details at a glance. And next, we will move on to Cash Flow Report. Cash Flow menu will not display all data related to funds, and it will display only the data entered with checking accounts, savings account, or cash account via Payment Journal or Receipt Journal menu. You can first set the desired time period, and then select the comparison period. Select between the displayed options, such as previous week or previous month, and set the other search conditions such as department and project, then click Search button. Then the funds increase and decrease data entered in Payment and Receipt Journal will be displayed. You can click on each account, and it will be linked to Payment Journal Summary or Receipt Journal Summary menu. Next, we will discuss Fund Statement menu. In this report as well, you can set the date range, department, and project. And if you click Search button, Data will be searched and displayed by each preset account code, and you can view information such as beginning, increase, decrease, and the ending balance. And if you want to learn more about the displayed data, you can click on each account or customer vendor to link to another report. So if you click on an account, Ledger 1 screen searched by the corresponding account will be displayed. And in the search results, if you click on a customer vendor, then Ledger 2 searched by the corresponding account and customer will be displayed. And back in the search results, since this report is not cash report, data will be displayed in a summarized form, but details will not appear. And you can also use option, account settings, to add a particular account to the default accounts. And lastly, we will move on to Fund Increase Decrease Details menu. In this menu, based on the date range, funds increase, decrease, and transfer between bank accounts will be displayed. If you click Search button, the detailed history of funds increase and decrease will be listed. And you can find bank transfer data as well at the bottom. And you can view the same data in Cash Report menu as well.